A sudden drop in temperature has caused frost rimes to form in the northern part of the Taklamakan Desert, which is located in northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region. Vegetation located along the northern edge of the desert is now covered in rime, a type of white ice that forms when fog is frozen to the outer surfaces of objects like plants and window panes. The bright white rimes contrast sharply with the yellow sand of the desert. The Taklamakan Desert has a total area of 337,000 square kilometers, making it China's largest desert.